Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Lisa Zora. If you're new to my channel, welcome. If you're a returning subscriber, welcome back guys. And if you're just passing through, then welcome just the same. So as it says on the title below, I'll be showing you guys how to open your MT4 account with Hotforex once you have signed up with them. If you haven't signed up with them, then what are you waiting for? The link is in the description box below. Go ahead, sign up with them, test them out. If you don't like them, you don't like trading, all of that, you can always close your account after. But I'm loving it, and I'd like to, for you guys to know, see what I am seeing. They're a very good broker. This on the screen, as you can see, you're seeing a list of country. Now I've said it in the previous video couple that I released a couple days ago, weeks, whenever you guys are seeing this. They only accept persons in some country. If you're in the United States of America and you need a good broker to sign up for, you can try Tradersway, Hugosway, or KT Forex. The links are in the description box below. You can go ahead, click on them, try them out. I have tried them out already, and they're very good brokers. But the only thing that I don't like is that I had to be depositing through Bitcoin or Velo and withdrawing to Bitcoin or Velo using Coinmama or CXIO. So that's what I didn't like, and I really like Hotforex because I can just withdraw and deposit the money straight from my MasterCard or any of my Visa card. And now that I have their PaySparks card, I don't need to use my cards. I can go ahead and transfer the funds on that and use that card to do my transaction. So here's the list of countries you're seeing on the screen. These are the list of country that Hotforex offered their service to. So you can pause this video right now and you can check to see if your country is there or not. If your country is not there, I wouldn't suggest for you to try signing up with them. I only suggest that if you see your country, you see your flag and the name of your country here, you can go ahead and do that. And let me scroll down. Okay, so this is the last row right here. So you can look and see if you see your country. If your country is here, you can go ahead and sign up for Hotforex and check them out. All right. Now you can pause the video and do that right now. And okay, so I'll be moving on. So as it says in the title below, I'll be showing you guys how to open how to deposit funds in your Hotforex account. Now, as you can see, switching, if you haven't opened an account with Hotforex as yet, click on the link in the description box below. It's going to bring you to this page. You can go ahead and check out my video. It will be at the end of this video how to open an account with Hotforex. You can go ahead and do that. You can open their wallet. So once you have already opened them, then you're going to go ahead and do this. You're going to click on where it says My HF. Before that, you're going to see login. Basically, and then you click on My HF. Once you did that, over here, you're going to put in your ID number and your password. Mine is already in. So we're going to go ahead and we're going to click on that. Once you do that right here, you're going to go ahead and you're going to click on where it says deposit. Then you're going to choose the alternative that you want to use for deposit, whether you want to use wire transfer, other alternatives such as Velo, Script, WebMoney, Neteller, FasterPay, BitPay, crypto payments, Bitcoin, any of those. Or yeah, so I'm gonna click on where it says eCompay or eCompay, any how you pronounce that one. And we're gonna choose the amount that we want to put in. So as you can see, the minimum is $5 and the maximum is $10,000. So I am going to just put in $10. Okay, $10. That's just an example. So I'm gonna deposit $10. Um, should it be $10? Should it be $10 or should it be $100? $10 or $100. You only get the bonus when you have $100 or more. So we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna try that. So I don't want to say $110. No, I'm just gonna do $10 for now. And then if I feel like, then I'll probably deposit more. Then you want to go ahead and you want to click on deposit. Remember, the minimum amount that you can deposit is $5. Now here, as you can see, this section is basically blurred because this is like personal information. So you're gonna put in your card number. You're gonna put in the expiry date. You're gonna put in your name. You're gonna put in your email address. Um, then you're gonna go ahead, once you have done that, you're gonna go ahead and you're gonna put in the CVC number. For most of you, the CVC number is the number at the back of the card. Did I type that right? Let me try again. And oops, that date is wrong. And then once you have done that, you're gonna go ahead and you're gonna click on where it says pay. As you can see, the payment is processing. So let's see what happens for this. Now, I don't know if this is gonna go. Hold on. I'm sorry. I was talking. Somebody just came in. Okay. So as you can see, my transaction has been processed successfully. Funds has been credited to my account, and an email has been sent, and we can transfer fund to our trading account to start trading. So we're gonna click on continue, and it's asking me to fund my account, and I'm not ready to do that. So we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna click on the refresh button right here, and there's our 10 USD right there in our account. So basically the account that I just use, actually this is somebody's account that I'm doing for them. Their account is actually in our currency. It's not, they don't have a US account, but I do. In my account, I have basically every account you can think of, a Canadian, Euro, pound. So I am always up to date on different accounts, but they only have our currency, which is Jamaican dollars. But what I see that it does, and I think it does that for the other country, it when you deposit using your currency, then it, I guess, it transfer it over to the US amount, to the amount that you want in their US currency. So as you can see, guys, I am not lying. I'm showing you guys how to do everything. I don't lie. I don't have a reason to lie. So if you want to go ahead and sign up for Hotforex, you can go ahead and do that and test them out. I'll be showing you guys how to order your PayParks card because I'll be doing that for this person's this account as well. And you can go ahead and check them out. If you have any questions on that, you can text me, as well as they have their live support, which is 24/5, 5 days a week. And yeah. So that is it, guys. Let me click back on my home page. So that is it, guys. So here it says my deposit was successfully completed, as you can see. If this video was helpful, go ahead and give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so. Hit that notification bell and drop a comment, so let me know what you guys think. If you have any questions, go ahead and ask your questions. As long as I know the answer, I will. If I don't know the answer, I will tell you to ask. If I don't know, I don't like to do like what others do, pretend like I know everything, because I don't know everything. I only share what I know with you guys, and I'm being 100% honest in everything that I do. Okay, guys, so if this video was helpful, you know what to do. You can always go ahead and share the link to my videos with others, encourage them to come and subscribe to the channel to learn some things that they haven't learned, and I'm here for you guys. And for those of you who the MACD links are not working for, go ahead and hit me up on that. The one for the MT4, go ahead and hit me up on that via email. The email is on my channel side. You can see that once you go on my about, or you can see it in some of the comments I've sent people my email. I don't scam people, and you can ask others. I don't ask them for anything. I help them in ways that I can, and I will send the extracted file for the MT4 to you, so you can add that to your MetaTrader 4. It only works on computer. I have never tried it on phone. If in my titles, my titles are specific, whether it's an Android or an iPhone, which I don't do iPhone because I don't have an iPhone. I only have like Samsung phone. Currently, I have a Note 9. That's what I'm working with, a Galaxy Note 9, and yeah. So I just work with Android and Windows computer. I have an HP. Yeah, it's an HP. So that's what I do my videos off. So yeah, guys, as I said before. So I'll see you in my next video where I'll be showing you guys how to open your trading account right here where it says new trading account, and what to do so you can get that 100% bonus. Bye, guys.